Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix iCUE not opening. So when this problem occurs, it means that we have some compatible issues with our application. So you want to look for the iCUE logo, right click on it, and then you want to click on properties. Inside this page, you just want to make sure to first launch the software on administrator mode. So right click on it, click show more options, and just click on the open as administrator or run as administrator, which is going to be this one. Now what this means is that the application will have some additional access that will sometimes allow it to run on our computer. Heading back to our properties, you want to head over to compatibility and just make sure that the run or disable software optimizations is disabled. And once again, you want to make sure that the run this program as an administrator is selected. Now, if this didn't work, you just want to head over to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, click on apply, and then click on OK. From there, the only reason why this is happening is because we have some corrupted files or missing data within the application itself. So in order to fix this, we just want to uninstall the application by heading over to the add or remove programs. In here, you want to search for iCUE, totally delete the application, and then basically you just want to get a new one from the official website. Download the software with a stable and secure internet connection in order to make sure that you doesn't get the missing files on your installer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.